Hello everybody. I am going to do my personal review on my RCC Stage 1 Turbo kit that I have on my 2018 Hayabusa. Okay, now that everything is in perspective and the bike is running the way it should be after some complications with the install and everything else. Not with the turbo, but just the install period. I've actually gotten to ride it just a couple of 2 weeks ago down in Daytona at Bike Week. First Bike Week ever, yes! So, I've actually got to feel the power. I love the sound. I will tell you, you sit there and ride that bike for a long period of time with a helmet on, your head will start ringing a little bit. But I can't. The turbo's rock solid. Richard with RCC, because Richard's Custom Cycles out of Canada. Great guy, super nice, super knowledgeable. Whenever I went to go purchase the turbo kit, I done a lot of research and I reached out to him because I kept seeing RCC. So I reached out to him. He spent somewhere in the range of over an hour on the phone telling me everything I needed, what I should do. If I wanted to do that, this is what I needed to do and everything else. He did not try to upsell me. He didn't, hey look, you need a stage 2, you need a stage 3 kit, you need a ultra, you need a race. He didn't, look, go stage 1, ride there and there because this is going to be a big difference. And then later on, you can do this, different things to crank the power up. Honestly, right here. He told me a few things that the shop I talked to said I did not need. Because actually, I was going to do a power commander while waiting on a turbo and everything, just get everything in line. And he told me I didn't need that. It would be a waste of money. Pretty much like getting the exhaust would be a waste of money because I'm going to end up getting rid of it anyway doing the turbo. And air filter, the same thing. Because I had all these questions for him. And he was, man, utmost respect to Richard. Great guy, did not try to oversell and did not try to get me to buy something I didn't need. Love the turbo, love the power. Now, unrelated issue, I'm having to go and have my transmission rebuilt because of a Suzuki flaw, and I've been told that this is a normal occurrence, so I'm going to go ahead and try to beef up the transmission to handle more power later on whenever I go and upgrade, depower and everything. But again, it's just a short little video. The sounds, the turbo itself, the workmanship, everything. Richard, great guy. If I was anywhere near Canada, I would love to meet him, and shoot, I would have took my bike to him and let him do the work. I don't know anything else to say. And so when I was having issues with the shop, I reached out to him, told him who I was. He already knew. He gave me some suggestions of 2 different people. One completely out of my way. It was closer than the second one, but that was more in the direction I was heading. And I went there and, man, exactly like Richard said, the guy went in there, worked really hard, and figured out all of my issues, fixed everything, and bike runs like a champ. After talking to Richard, after picking the bike up from the shop that done it, as crazy as it sounds, I was making 142 horsepower on a turbo engine. No. Stock engine makes a lot more than that. Well, after going to South Florida and letting them work on it, I'm at 236 right now. So yeah, that's a lot better instead of going down in horsepower. But again, great guy, great company. If you're ever thinking about a turbo or any anything like that. First person you need to talk to is Richard with RCC, and he would, from my personal experience, he would not guide you wrong.